Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here today, or tonight I should say, since it is nighttime. This is going to be a YouTube short video here, doing an oil change. As you can see, I took my filter, the old one off, and I cut it open to take the filter element from the inside out. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to check on the status of the break-in with the rebuild and see how everything's going inside the motor. Excuse me for my crappy film quality. I'm trying to deal with a cut finger. Of course, I cut myself trying to cut this out of there. And yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, literally, huh? Yeah, there's that filter element inside. And I cut that out. And I cut a piece of the filter element itself out of there. And put it in this vise here. And I put my bloody rag under there. Pardon the gore. I'm about to put a viewer discretion is advised on this video, I guess. Yeah, I'm turning the vise down. As you can see, I'm squeezing the oil out of that filter element piece. I'm going to go ahead and take a bloody wipe out of this one. And yeah, you can see on top I'm squeezing more oil out. I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off the element of the filter. Wipe this bottom side off again. Try to get to the sides, and we'll go ahead and loosen this now out of the vise. And take this out and see what we got. Open this back up. As you can see how that opens up like an accordion. And let me look here. Still bleeding, yep. And it appears as though it is clean, dude. And there's nothing in that element. That is dry, squeezed out with my blood. Yeah, no metal whatsoever on either side of that element. So that rebuild and break-in is doing beautiful. Again, look at that. See there? Again, I apologize for the blood, but yeah, you just take I took a pair of Weiss tin snips, and I snipped around the edge of the outside of the filter, and then I just took this element, the whole entire filter element itself out. Took a just basic utility knife. Like I said, cut that piece out of there. You take the cut this way, and a cut this way, cut this way, and a cut this way, and then you just pull the filter element out, which was that piece there. But you gotta leave it, you know, folded up. Just kind of like stick it in the vise. Fold it up like so, and then you'll stick it in your vise, squeeze it down, and put something under it to catch the oil that you're going to be draining out of it. Wipe the oil off the edges of it, take it back out, and you check your filter element. If there's no metal pieces, metal flakes in there, which there's not in that, then you're in great shape. And there's the new oil that's going to go in. It's going to take about almost all 7 of those quarts in there. So yeah, got the carb on the jack. Got the blocks underneath of it for safety in case that jack decides to let go. Safety first. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of this video. I just wanted to share that, the status of the engine build, and yeah, the break-in's going great. You know, and if you want to catch more content in the future, you can like and subscribe to this video, and subscribe to my channel, and it'll tell you when I'm posting more stuff, which there will be more to come. More on the modification work that I've done. I'm going to start that series here really soon. I tried to start it earlier today, but it wouldn't let my video upload, so I'm hoping this one uploads, and yeah, hope for better luck with that in the future, and we can get this show on the road. All right, guys, take her easy.